Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online classes. Class 8th, Subject Hindi, Lesson 6, Topic Hamara Jhanda. So, you all know about our flag, right children? It is a tricolor flag. You know the flag of India? Yes, we have a tricolor flag. So, we'll learn more about flags. Okay. हर एक राष्ट्र का अपना एक झंडा होता है. For every country, there is a flag of their own. They don't share their flag with anyone else. Each and every country has their own flag. यह झंडा राष्ट्र के गौरव का प्रतीक होता है. The flag denotes the proud of any country. The flag is the proud for our country. Not only our country, every country's flag is the proud of their own country. भारत में पहले भी झंडे का प्रचार था. In India, we are not using flag for today or yesterday. We used to have flag from a long back. See, we have a proof also children. महाभारत के योद्धा अर्जुन के झंडे पर हनुमान जी की निशानी थी. You know the war of Mahabharat? Yes. During that time also, Arjun, one of the 5 brothers, Arjun used to have a flag in his chariot which had a picture of Lord Hanuman. So, at the time of Mahabharat itself, we used to have flags, not now. It is not only we are using the flags now. Okay, so long back when Mahabharat war was going on also, we used to have our flag. भगवान कृष्ण गरुड़ ध्वज के नाम से विख्यात है. लॉर्ड कृष्णा इज नोन एज गरुड़ ध्वज. गरुड़ इज अ ईगल लाइक bird and ध्वज means flag. So Lord Krishna is known as a flag named as गरुड़. महाराणा प्रताप के झंडे पर सिंह का चित्र था. You know the great king Maharana Pratap? He used to have a flag with a symbol of lion on his flag. इतना ही नहीं, हर राजा का अपना अपना झंडा होता है. Not only this, but each and every king have their own flags. Okay children, how many kings are there, you know? So all of them might be having their own flags. Okay. और इस पर उनकी इच्छा के अनुसार कोई ना कोई निशानी होती है. And in this, according to their wish, they will use any symbol so that we will come to know that this is the flag of particular king. You know the flag of Cholas, Pandyas and all. So there are all the kings will be having their own flags with a particular symbol for them on it. भारत का राष्ट्र झंडा तिरंगा है. फॉर इंडिया द नेशनल फ्लैग इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ट्राइकलर फ्लैग. इस झंडे का नमूना आंध्र प्रदेश के पिंगली वेंकैया ने तैयार किया. फॉर अस द नेशनल फ्लैग वॉज डिजाइंड बाय पिंगली वेंकैया ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. पिंगली वेंकैया designed our national flag. He belonged to the state of Andhra Pradesh. इसमें 3 रंगों को स्थान दिया गया था. In this flag, we gave Pingali Venkaya when he designed, there were 3 colors in this national flag. केसरिया, सफ़ेद और हरा. Saffron, white and green. इसके बीच में चरखे को स्थान दिया गया था. When it was designed in the middle of our national flag, we used to have a spinning wheel. We used to have a spinning wheel which was mostly used by Gandhiji to spin his khadi dress. Wherever you see Gandhiji sitting with that, you can see he is spinning the wheel and he is making his own khadi cloth. So to denote that, the flag was given in between a spinning wheel. सन 1921 में गांधी जी ने इसे राष्ट्रीय झंडा स्वीकार किया था. In 1921, in the year of 1921, Gandhiji approved this design as our national flag. Gandhiji only approved this design as national flag of India in the year 1921. So, as I told you children, there are 3 colors in our national flag. Let us see why these 3 colors were chosen and what these color denotes for us. There will be some reason. There are so many colors. There are main 12 colors and there are so many subcolors. So, why this particular 3 colors were chosen? There will be some reason, right children? So, we'll just go through that reason. केसरिया रंग त्याग का first color is saffron. Why this saffron color was given over there? Because this saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. How many people have sacrificed their life to get freedom for India? The people of India are really very courageous. So this was the first color used in our national flag because we want to show to other countries, we want to show to everyone that people of India is really very courageous and they are ready to sacrifice their life in any way for their country. Second color children, you know what is the second color? Yes, right, it's white color. Safed rang shanti ka. So white color denotes truth and purity. And we are very peace loving people. We are not going to hurt anyone. We won't start any war from our side. We won't hurt anyone others. So that white color represents the truth and purity in our heart. We are very truthful people and we are very pure and peace loving people. In India, all the people are same. We won't go for any fight or any war from our side. So, this is the second color what is there in our tricolor flag. हरा रंग सुख संपत्ति का सूचक है. Now, we'll move on to our third color. You know what is the third color, children? Yes, it is green color. Green represents faith, fertility and growth. So, India, as you know, it is an agricultural country. We are more dependent on agriculture. It is the main occupation in India. So, when agriculture is the main occupation in India, we require more and more growth in agriculture. So, that is what the green color denotes. We have faith in God. We have faith in other people. So, that is what green color denotes. Main, we know agriculture is denoted by green color. 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को भारत स्वतंत्र हुआ. On 15th August 1947, you all know children, we got independence. When we got independence? Say once again children. Yes, it's on 15th August 1947. तब भारत के प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने दिल्ली के लाल किले पर झंडा फहराया था. On that same day, 15th August 1947, our national flag was first hoisted on the Red Fort in Delhi by who was the Prime Minister that time? Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the national flag for India first time in Delhi in Red Fort. स्वतंत्रता के बाद झंडे में थोड़ा सा परिवर्तन किया गया. After independence, there was a small modification in our national flag. A national flag was little bit modified after the independence. चरखे के स्थान पर झंडे में अशोक चक्र को रखा गया. In the place of that spinning wheel, that spinning wheel's place was given to Ashoka Chakra in between our national flag. In that white strip, children, I said 3 colors: orange, saffron, not orange, it is saffron, white and green. So in that white part in between, I said it was spinning wheel. After independence, that spinning wheel was removed and the place was given to Ashoka Chakra. अशोक भारतवर्ष के एक बड़े सम्राट थे. अशोक वॉज अ ग्रेट किंग ऑफ इंडिया. उन्होंने शांति और अहिंसा का प्रचार किया. ही मोटिवेटेड पीस एंड नॉन वायलेंस इन इंडिया. सो इंडिया वॉज पीस, इंडिया इज अ पीस लविंग एंड नॉन वायलेंट कंट्री. सो अशोक वॉज द ग्रेटेस्ट किंग इन अवर कंट्री. सो वी विल से दैट अशोक चक्र, that is given place in between our national flag. इनकी याद में झंडे में चक्र को स्थान दिया गया. In remembrance of the great king, we are giving Ashoka Chakra in between our national flag. Actually, do you know, children, what is the meaning of that Ashoka Chakra? It is known as the wheel of virtue. It also represents motion or growth. How many spokes are there in that Ashok Chakra? Do you know, children? There are totally 24 spokes. It shows you that we have 24 hours to work out. We have to work for 24 hours and we have to gain everything. So that Ashok Chakra denotes many good things, in which some we have seen now. So we love our national flag, right, children? हमें अपने झंडे का आदर करना चाहिए. We should really respect and love our national flag. Okay, children, we should respect our national flag. After independence or after Republic Day, we should not throw that paper. We think it is just a paper and we throw it here and there on the road and somebody will stamp on it. This all is very bad, children. We should respect our national flag first. We should learn to respect our national flag. We have to love our national flag. Okay, so wherever you will see it is lying down, please take it and respect it. Okay, children. So now lesson is over and now we are moving to our word meanings. Here word meanings are given for you, explanation for this and question answers. We will meet in the next session, children. Thank you, children.